Welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. I'm again here at the BHS St. Louis production facilities today to talk with you about the WTC Walkie Transfer Carriage. This unit is applicable for, we say commonly, up to no more than 10 trucks to assure safety, efficiency for the battery change operation. The WTC is available as shown here in 24-inch wide compartment models, also in 30 and 36-inch. It comes available in 3,000 and 4,000 pound capacity. All of the units will include the heavy-duty poly-coated rollers, snugly fit inside the compartment for long life, the battery retainer arm shown here, and the rubber bumpers to guard against damage to the truck that's being changed. On the demo unit here at BHS, we've also included the rubber chain guard option to eliminate anyone getting their hands where they don't belong. Come with me now down to the operator's position and I'll show you some of those features. Here in the operator's position, we'll show you the positive control hand wheel. Hands here in a safe position, coupled with a 4.5 to 1 gear ratio. The operator has great efficiency in removal, extraction of the batteries. The extractor arm is held securely in the rear position with the safety latch, not allowing any unwanted travel of the battery or the arm during transport. The BHS WTC utilizes a hook and chain extraction, having no hydraulic components. There's many options that we can choose from for your particular application. Extended roller bed, vertical height extensions, as we've mentioned in previous videos. Submit your product request form to your inside sales rep at BHS, and we'll assure you that we've got the correct options for your application. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck on the WTC units. Stay tuned for more.